Here we will solve another question of simple machine chapter. So the question is, what load will be lifted by an effort of 12 Newton if velocity ratio is 18 and efficiency of the machine at this load is 60%? If the machine has constant frictional resistance, determine the law of machine and find the effort required to run the machine at no load and at a load of 900 Newton. So first it is asked that if the machine has constant frictional resistance, determine the law of machine. First it is asked what load will be lifted by an effort of 12 Newton. So we have to find out the load. So given that effort is 12 Newton, velocity ratio is 18, efficiency 60%, that is 0.6. So first we have to calculate the load. So efficiency equal to mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio. So mechanical advantage is weight by effort, so divided by velocity ratio, that implies W by 12 divided by 18, that equal to W by 12 into 18, that implies W equal to 12 into 18 into 0.6, and that will be the answer. That implies we have got W equal to 129.6 for an effort of 12 Newton. So next we will find out the law of machine. So it is mentioned that if the machine has a constant frictional resistance. So this term is important, constant frictional resistance. So what is law of machine? Law of machine is basically shows the relation between effort applied and load to be lifted. So we have already seen the relation, how it looks like. It looks like a straight line, but it doesn't pass through the origin. The curve is like this. So what is this law states? P equal to mw plus c, where m equal to slope of this line, p equal to effort required, and w equal to load to be lifted. And what is c? C is the y-intercept, that is the this value. Suppose this length is OA, so this is the y-intercept. So what this C stands for? So initially when W equal to 0, still there is some value of P. So initially when we apply some effort, it doesn't lift the load suddenly. So some amount of effort is required to overcome the frictional resistance. This is this value. So this is the frictional loss in terms of effort side, which is the C value. So it is given that the machine has constant frictional resistance. So this value is constant. So we can calculate it in terms of frictional loss in terms of effort side. So what is this value? What is the value of effort frictional loss in terms of effort side? That is equal to P minus W by VR. I have already told you how to find out these things. So that is P minus W by VR. That implies P equal to 12 minus what is W, 129.6 divided by velocity ratio is 18. So this is the y-intercept value, that is the friction loss in terms of effort side. This is this value. This is the effort loss to overcome frictional resistance. So I will calculate this value and check this value. So this value is 4.8, that implies the value of C, that is frictional loss, equal to, this implies the value of C equal to 4.8. So we got the value of C. So we have to find out the slope. So to find out the slope, we have to put it in the law of machine equation. So P equal to mw plus C. So when P equal to 12 Newton, 12 equal to m into what is the value that time, W equal to 129.6 plus C value you got in this case. For this load and effort we got the value of C, that is equal to 4.8. So this value is constant, so we'll calculate the value of, so we got the value of m equal to 0.055. So we'll put it in the law of machine equation. So what is law of machine? P equal to mw plus C, that implies P equal to 0.055, which is the value of m, into W plus C value is 4.8. So we got the law of machine. So it is asked that when W value is 0, at that time we have to find out what effort is required to lift a load of 0. That implies initial value. When W equal to 0 at this time, you saw the graph, that time the value of P is equal to the y-intercept. Obviously when W equal to 0, at that time the value is, we'll put it 0, so it is 4.8 Newton. So first case, this is the second case, when W equal to 900 Newton. So we'll put it in the equation, 0.0555 into 900 plus 4.8. So this value will be the effort required when load is 900 Newton. So I'll check the answer. It is 54.975 Newton. So when W equal to 0, at that time effort required, which is the, you can see in this graph, when W equal to 0, at this point W equal to 0, but in this case we need some effort to overcome the frictional resistance. So when W equal to 0, that time the effort equal to the value of y-intercept, which is the frictional resistance in terms of frictional loss in terms of effort side, so which is 4.8 Newton. We have already find out the y-intercept value is 4.8, and here also the effort required is 4.8 Newton. When we put the W value is 0, in this case this value will be 0, so P equal to 4.8. and in the second case, when W equal to 900 Newton, in this case effort required is 54.75 Newton. So I think we can solve the questions like this.